All these words, they come and go. What do I say? If I took you by your hand, would you walk away? If I gently touched your face, would you feel so out of place? When we're standing side by side, why do you feel so far away? I can see you, and I can feel your heartbeat, but sometimes I don't understand that look in your eyes, your cold touch. Sometimes I feel that it's way too much.
Welcome back to Real Flame BBQ. Appreciate you joining us again. Before I get too far into anything, I want to thank everybody that has ordered our sauce, Wicked Candy. I greatly appreciate it. It's been doing very well and been well accepted by everybody. If you've got a bottle, please do a video on it. Do a post about it on social media and do hashtag Wicked Candy. We also have a few more sauces getting ready to come out. Sweet Country's our next one, and we got some seasonings coming out that I'm not sure which one just yet. The labels will be in first on, so I'm not going to announce which one's going to be out first on that. But we do have most labels ordered. I got a couple still designing. But anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Now let's get on with the show. Alright, we got something special for you today. I think it's special anyway. We are doing a homemade chili. Now, but this time I usually use my own seasoning. I found this in the grocery store. Never used it. Don't know anything about it. I used their meatloaf. Stacey?
Yeah.
I used their meatloaf seasoning. It was really good. I don't like any sauce that Kinder's does, but their seasoning, so far, I've liked it. So we're gonna try this out. See what this does. Simple cook. Nothing major to this. I got Stacey helping me out today. We're actually at our cabin in Gatlinburg. So we're going to do a couple videos up here, I think, or at least this video. But we're going to get started right now. We got the onions ready. Took about 5 minutes. Now I know that the seasoning pack has most seasoning you'll need in it, but always season the onions. I just got a little paprika and some black pepper in here. That's all you're gonna need. But now we're gonna add the meat to this. So we're gonna spread this out a little bit to the side. I don't know why. Let's just do it this way. I'm gonna throw the meat directly in it. We'll list all the ingredients that we're using on the screen now. And what I'm using in the meat, this is the last season I put it in myself, other than the chili packet. Small town steak. I don't know if you can see that. I've never used it, so we'll see how it is. Can't be bad. It's got the normal stuff: salt, pepper, garlic, all that good jazz. Now, I will say what most people don't do when they make chili or spaghetti or anything where you got to brown the meat first. They get the meat done, and then they're done. They add everything else to it. Brown the meat, crisp it up. Let that meat have its own flavor inside whatever you're putting it in. Don't let it take on the flavor of everything else that you're putting it in. Make it stand alone so you get more depth inside your meals. It'll go a long way, just a simple 2 more, 3 more minutes. I forgot to say that we're using the Worcestershire sauce. We're just going to put a little bit of that in there, shake it around. I don't know how much it is. We'll say 2 tablespoons. We'll shake till we feel good about it. I feel good right about there. Don't know how much that was. Just Go back and count. That's all I'm gonna do. Mix it all up. And this is where our 2-3 extra minutes come into play. We got the grease drained out. So this is directly on the hot pan by itself. Now we want some color on this meat. Now we're going to add the beans. 1 can's all you need. I usually do the dark red, but the kidney beans we got the light for some reason. That's what we're using. Gonna mix it up. Tomatoes. Now, if you feel like you want to chop these up, you go right ahead and do that. I'm never doing my chili. That's one thing I believe in canned tomatoes. Nothing in the world wrong with it. Get that mixed up. Get all that mixed up, now we're going to add a can of water. Let that get good and warm. I never add seasoning to anything cold. So before I even add my chili seasoning to this has got to warm back up from the cold water I just put in. And the water was really cold because I used purified water from our refrigerator. So we're going to get this warm back up before I put any seasoning inside this pot. We got our chili mix seasoning. There we go. Got it opened up. Now this smells a little like just a barbecue potato chip. We'll see what it ends up like. Just pour it in, mix it around. Gonna let this cook up 15-20 minutes, and then last I'm gonna come over and put a couple. This is where most of y'all gonna argue with me and cuss me out, but I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons of brown sugar in it, light brown sugar. It doesn't sweeten it too much. It's not sweet chili at all, but it has just a little extra end on it that makes it really good. And this recipe, minus the Kinder's chili season, has 1 chili cook-off. So don't knock it till you try it. I'll ask that you try it. Just a couple tablespoons of it. But we're going to cook this up first and we'll come back and put it in. We've been cooking right at 15 minutes. We're going to pull out and put our brown sugar in. That's all it takes. 2 tablespoons. Mix it up. Cook it another 5-10 minutes and you are ready to go. Chili's all done. It's been sitting a good while. Now I will tell you, this will be better tomorrow. So if you want to leave this, let it cool down and stick it in the fridge, come back tomorrow in about 24 hours, it's going to be so much more amazing. But we're not waiting. So what we're going to do, we're going to my way. Put the background. We're going to put some corn chips in the bottom. Apparently Arrow loves them. And then we put a little cheese in the bottom. And a little more chili. I need some of the juice out. I'll throw some more cheese on top. Now you can decorate that however you want to decorate it. We usually do sour cream But we're at the cabin and we haven't been to the grocery store since we've been here, and we had no sour cream, so we didn't use sour cream. But I always do. So guess we gotta have ourselves with this video. Mix it all up, melt that cheese down, soften up those corn chips, and we're gonna try this together for the first time right now with this Kinder's chili seasoning. Okay, that's good. I prefer mine over this. This is definitely edible. If you see it in your grocery store, go and pick it up. It's better than most out there. But I think it's still my favorite. If I was buying one, I prefer the Ingles brand chili mix. I think it's really good. Have used it forever. It's better than the McCormick and all the rest of them. Now, Sawers has them now, but I haven't tried it yet either. Anyway, that's the Kinder's. It is good. It's a quick, easy cook. Now, we have another chili video coming out. It's going to be a few weeks, but we're going to smoke everything on the smoker. We're going to smoke the onions separate. We're going to smoke tomatoes separate. The meat's going to be separate. And we're going to do the chili the right way, the way it should be. The old Pioneer way. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching this video. If you haven't yet, please leave a comment below. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. All those things help our channel out tremendously, and they're free for you. We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
All these words, they come and go. What do I say? If I took you by your hand, would you walk away? If I gently touched your face, would you feel so out of place? When we're standing side by side, why do you feel so your step.